Winter Kitchen. Hey everyone, my mom and I are getting food ready for winter, and we'd like you to help us.
This summer, we collected our traditional foods, taking only what we needed. To get ready for the winter, we'll preserve the foods, which means that we prepare them so they stay yummy and nutritious.
Tap the food you want to preserve. Jarred salmon. We don't have any firewood. Which person is more likely to have firewood? William Patuk owns the wood shop in the village. He can carve all kinds of things out of wood. He shares older wood he doesn't need with his neighbors to use as firewood. Trini Mumford is 7 and used to live in Texas. She grows lots of vegetables in her garden and has won a gardening prize at the Alaska State Fair. Hootie, that's right! Mr. Patuk has the firewood we need. I'll go get some and meet you back here. Masi Cho, now we have everything we need to turn fresh salmon into jarred salmon. Tap to get started. First, cut the salmon in half with our traditional knife, called an ulu.
It's good to have a grown-up's help when you're using a knife.
Next, slice each half, but leave some space at the top. This creates a special shape so you can hang up the salmon later. Then make a brine, a salty water, to help with preservation and flavor. First, put the water in the bucket. Next, add the brown sugar for flavor. Add the salt, which helps with preservation. Awesome! When the brine is ready, add salmon to the bucket. Add all the salmon to the bucket. Nizzy! Nice! Next, move the salmon strips to the drying rack. Add all of the pieces to the rack. Keep going. Almost done. Add the last one. A lie! Whoa! Now, to make smoke, move the wood to the fire pit. Light the fire.
I can help with this part.
Wait a day or two while it smokes. The salmon is done smoking. Add the cut-up pieces to a clean jar.
The salmon is a beautiful color, so we make sure the meat is facing out.
Oh, cool! Put on the lid. And spin the lid to close it. We're almost done. Put the jars in boiling water to tighten the lids and make sure no air comes in. This helps the salmon stay fresh.
I'll help you while you're using the stove.
Yay! We made jarred salmon to save for winter.
And Mr. Patuk stopped by to pick up some salmon. Merci, Mr. Patuk, for giving us firewood to help us make it. Sharing is one of our Gwitch-in values. It has helped our people for thousands of years.